Hi guys, how are you all? So I'm Asad Sheikh from Iqonic Design and I will be your tutor for this class, and we will see how to implement dynamic data with different data sources in your WordPress site. And as we have discussed earlier, what is dynamic data and which are the commonly used data sources, and it's now time to implement them. So we will convert our manual data into dynamic data using Firebase plugin. So let's get into this. So open Graphina and select the data table where you want to display your data. I am choosing this tag column chart where I will display data of my Firebase. Go to the chart data option and change the type to Firebase, and you will see the message of no data available as we haven't inserted any data till now. Then we have a new section, Firebase data configuration. Entering there, we can upload configuration file here. So I will just go to Firebase and create a new project. I am naming this project Graphina Firebase. Then read the information and continue. And select the account from this drop box. I choose default Firebase account and then create a project. It will take some time. Till then, subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it. After the project is created, click on continue. Then you can go to the project overview and then go to the project settings. Then go to the service account and create a service account by clicking just here. Then generate a private key from here and download the private key. Then we will create a database by clicking on the real-time database. Select the location on real-time database, then just click on next. And choose start with test mode. Then we will import the JSON file that we have downloaded from our system and just click on import. Now copy that generated link and we'll paste it here in database URL. And upload that config file by clicking here, and it will be the security key we have downloaded. Once it's done, we can see our data on the chart using the Firebase data source. And that is it. That's all for Firebase in dynamic data. Now we have completed all the data sources available in Graphina for dynamic data options. So see you in another video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your friends so they can also take help from this easy course. Till then, hasta la vista.